What's up, guys? It's me back with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a house tour of my new house and my new world. So let's get into it. So as you can see, while we walk in, you see the stairs, the way you sit in the kitchen, and right here is your TV where you can watch TV, table. Right here is another couch where you can eat tea, and there's a fireplace and enchanted. And right here, the dining table, and as I'll eat this. Um, um, I'll just do that last piece. And right here, I can just break that. I don't know. This room is just like the room where you can like stay for shade. Right here is the bar. As you guys can see, since the last video I added achievements. Because if you just go like this, you can't reach. That's why you have to go like here. Then you can reach. And I still haven't found my bartender. What's inside here? Oh, nothing. Well, this is my table. My sitting thing is just like the walker thing, and just like in the apartment, but instead it's a diving board. Oh, it's a light. And here is our. If you guys might be wondering.
Like that, dude. Wow,
If you guys are wondering why it looks super realistic, because usually it doesn't, I added a mod. Go check out the video. That's the floor. There's the water slide. Right here, you can slide. So,
wee.
That's my brother. And now we're heading towards the garage. And my house very well. Here's my
car.
Here's my other car. You guys can get this one. Want to just type in car in the mcdl.com thing. Well, guys, do not listen to me because I do not know how to spell. It has to be facing this way. I don't know. Just put it. Yeah, I can right now.
What?
This is my garage. Now let's go to the second floor. Super speed. It shows you the fourth floor. There. Oops. Now time to go upstairs. You guys already haven't seen my room. Go check on my other channel. This is the guest room. Closet like that. And with the chest. A desk for school. You're laying down. And of course a bathroom wall that's all loud. The shower. The sink. Not the sink, the toilet. Now, as you guys can see here, this is the upstairs couch, my computer, and right here is my room. The toilet, the sink, I don't know what that is, the washer, and finally, my bed and my balcony. balcony. I should probably add more right here. Let me just go get a glowstone. I got the glowstone. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a hand trap door. Yeah, no phone. 1, 2. I'll just keep them facing this way. Here's the laptop. And the 2 computers. That one's my computer. Those 2 are my computer, one's extra just in case. This one is my laptop. In case you guys can see the pads. And that's all part of my house. I'm going to be adding more part of my house. Oh yeah, and guys, there's even more one. I forgot to do this. This is just playing as a, what's it called again? Comment down below. I haven't gave out the shout out yet. I haven't given out the shout out yet, so the shout out goes to Lovebird37. Hope you guys like the video. Oh yeah, I forgot there is a second. It's not love. It's Snowballs 15. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.